Has your garage door decided to pack up and take an extended vacation? Do you need to finally have the talk with it, replacing it with something that will actually support you day in and day out? Of course you do, and that's exactly what we're here for. Our professional and passionate team are able to source, supply, and install the highest quality garage doors for the lowest possible prices, even over weekends and public holidays. All installations are carried out by qualified pros who will get the job done right every single time. We understand that every customer's needs are different, which is why we'll take the time to consult with you first about exactly what you need, locating and locking down the door for you. Is there really any time to lose? The garage door of your dreams is just waiting to be taken home with you. Contact us today for your free consultation and put a spring back in your step and your door.